Okay, guys, so this one puts it all together. All right. So hopefully you've done the other two easy assignments I just assigned to you. All right. Check this one out. So again, on Khan Academy, if you do not find this for some reason on your assignment page, or some of you are even struggling to find your assignments on your assignment page, right? Just search it, guys. And when you do it, I will give you credit for it. Okay? And remember, now you can take pictures of your notes and your work and send it back to me as well. Okay? So, type in solutions of systems of inequalities. All right, let's get going here. So guys, this time they gave us two linear inequalities. We're checking this, in this case, the potential solution 3, 5. The trick, guys, is we have to plug it into both. That's it. So I'm going to put in here x is 3. Right in here, y is 7. Or sorry, 5. And let's see if it works. Well, 7 times 3 is 21. 9 times 5 is 45. 21 minus 45 is negative 24. Is that less than positive 5? Yes, it is. Now, guys, we're halfway there. Let's do the same thing with the second inequality. 3 goes in there. 5 goes in for the y. Let's see if this one works. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. 4 times 5 is 9. Negative 6 plus 9 is a 3. Is that greater than 5? No, it's not. So even though it worked in the first inequality, guys, this is a system now. It has to work for both. So you would click on no. It worked in the first, but it didn't work in the second inequality, so it didn't satisfy the system. But guys, hopefully you realize how simple this is. All you're doing is plugging in numbers and checking your work. All right? Now, sometimes they'll give you a graph. Don't panic. These really, to me, are even easier. See that negative 4, 4 they're having to check? Do you guys agree? Negative 4, 4 is right there. Now, guys, look at our graph. What are we told is we have one solution that does this. Everyone see my light blue there? The other part of the solution in green does this, right? Guys, we're looking for basically where they intersect down here. Our point is up here, not even in either of the areas, right? So this one we would say simply no. Get credit and move on. Okay? Do you guys remember what to do if they just give you the equations or inequalities? That's right. You just plug them in. Check this out. I'm going to check. I'm supposed to check 10, negative 2. Let's plug in 10 for x. Let's plug in negative 2 for y. Watch your signs, guys. I have 10 plus 12, which is 22. Is that greater than 5? Yes, it is. Guys, we got to check the other one, though. Plugging in 10 for x. Plugging in negative 2 for y. That's 70. That's a negative 4. 70 minus 4 is 66. Is that greater than or equal to 4? Yes, it is. This one we would click yes. So what are you learning, guys, is you got to plug it into both parts of the system. It's got to work for both inequalities in the system. If there were 3 inequalities, you'd have to plug it in all 3 of them. Okay? And it has to work for all 3. In this case, we have 2 inequalities. Both of them have to work. It's that simple. All right, let's do one more. That's a graph. This time we're testing negative 2, negative 3. Now, guys, notice I'm in this blue area here, but I'm not in the green area. Bottom line, the point had to be where I'm marking in red. Okay? In other words, so this one we're going to say no again. But let's say they gave you negative 2, 4 instead. Does everyone agree negative 2, 4 would have been right there? See how that's in the middle of both the green and blue areas? That's where our solution set is, right? So this one would have been a yes. Again, this is only in the blue. It's not anywhere in the green area. That's why our answer would have been no. If we would have done -2, +4, however, it would have been yes. So guys, that's how you check and find out whether a solution works for a system of inequalities. Okay? I'll see you around. Please take advantage of these simple assignments. They're not that hard to do, as I just proved it to you. See you around.